Sorry, guys. Someone just tried to hack my TikTok. Good thing I have a good VPN, right? It was a nice try. We're smarter than that, though. Sorry about that, guys. Someone tried to hack my TikTok and go live instead of me. That's funny. We were ready for that, though. Yeah, they tried to hack my TikTok. So in the middle of live streaming, I just lost connection. Someone tried to take over my account and go live somewhere else in my account. But I have a VPN, and so it kind of made them confused, and I just closed them out. So sorry about that. Yeah, I have a VPN connected through my phone and my computer for all my accounts. So if anyone tries to hack anything, we're all good to go, and they're gonna fail every time. Right now, according to my VPN, let's see here, where are we according to the VPN today? Right now, according to my VPN, I am in Seattle. Nice. Love to see it. Anyone in Seattle there today? Yeah, sorry about that. But yeah, if you guys can tap the screen a couple times, it boosts the views in live or something like that. I'd appreciate it. I guess it's a new feature TikTok has, so I'm going to tap it 3 times. There you go. But yeah, so far today, our portfolio is sitting at $4,254, and we are up 2.31% for the day, with Corsair Gaming definitely carrying the team. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. But yeah, so this month, we're up this month. We are up in the last month for the first time in 3 months. And that's what I like to see. We're going in the right direction. We're still down a little bit, but I like what I'm seeing right now. I really do. Corsair Gaming sitting at $29.70 this morning. Corsair Gaming is up 4.91% pre-market. We got ARCX down 0.66%. We got NVDA down 0.5%. We have ITRM up 2.35% to start the day. We have DARE even, TYME even, and MJ up 0.61%. So, not a bad morning so far. Thanks, Sophia. Appreciate it. She's in the bathroom, I think. PLTR, I love PLTR long term. I think their data tracking is going to be essential to being able to get vaccines out there. But the thing is, PLTR will be a great long term company. I'm not expecting anything from it short term. I believe NVDA will top 300, absolutely. I have a price target of about $320 for NVDA. LEV, Lion Electric Co. sitting at $12.19. It's got some pretty good price targets, $26, $19, and $15. If you look at the order flow, it's pretty swayed towards the inflow, so that's always a good thing. And ETFs, it's in a couple ETFs, so that's good. Let's see, and then if we look at the financials, are they making money? That's the big thing. They missed their estimates last quarter. They're not making money. They've never made money, and that's a problem for me. Income statement, down. In quarter 4 of 2020, they only lost $1.39 million, and in quarter 1 of 2021, they lost $16.11 million. That's too much of a difference for me. Their financing, the debt-to-equity ratio is completely out of whack. Last quarter, it was $320 million in assets and $12 million in liabilities. Now it's $140 million in assets and $254 million in liabilities. So with this kind of taking a turn here for LEV in a negative direction, I'm going to be staying away from this stock. Neo to Pluto. Would you buy Ethereum or NVDA now? I would probably buy NVDA. Ethereum will always be there. Ethereum's going to get absolutely clobbered when the bull run stops for cryptocurrency. It's going to happen eventually. Don't diss me or anything. It's just how the crypto market works. It goes up really high, it goes ridiculously low, and then goes in the middle spot, and then goes back up again. That's just how it works. What website am I reading this from? I'm just looking at my computer. I'm looking at my Webull account. But I also use TradingView a little bit too. But Webull has some pretty good tools. I used to use Thinkorswim too to do charting. Yeah, Thinkorswim on TD Ameritrade is really good for charting if you ever want to check that out. No, my pleasure. But yeah, this morning we're at $4,256. First time over $4,200 in, I think, 13 weeks. So again, not where we'd love to be at this point in the challenge, but I really love the direction we're going in. Really love the direction. TYME was able to stay above the weekly and the daily moving average yesterday to close at 110. I know even day for time yesterday, pretty even, but it kind of sucks. We have to wait a little bit longer. But overall, I think that the path upwards is looking really good. Oh, thanks, Darwin. I'll definitely check that out. Oh, thanks for the follow. User Californian Joey. Nice, like it. Good morning, Joey. What stock are we looking at today? So the one I'm really looking at today, I love the momentum behind Coors Air Gaming, CRSR. I own 75 shares of that. It's up 5.09% pre-market. Reddit's going absolutely nuts about it. Not why I bought it. I've had the stock for a while. They just so happen to start talking about it. It's a great stock. It's undervalued compared to a lot of their other competitors like Logitech and things like that. They have the best forward PE ratio in their industry, and I think they're going to be taking the world by storm. I did not know I could invest in my HSA if I have one. Triple tax savings. That's actually really cool, dude. Message me about that. I might want to see what I can do there. Did your friend ever come move their bed? No, they actually are. They moved in 2 days ago. Back again. So he's going to be here for one more semester while he finishes up his degree, and then he's going to get out of here and probably move his bed. But no rush on, apartments are so expensive, not going to make anyone pay thousands of dollars to get an apartment to go back to college. He's just living with me for another semester, and we'll work it out. Rip Walgreens. Yeah, rip Walgreens. Rip Walgreens. We got that issue fixed though, so Walgreens is all A-okay now. I think Tesla at the current moment is too expensive. I know a lot of people don't like to look at forward PE ratio and stuff because they think fundamentals and stuff don't really take into account right now. But TSLA, so whenever I look at financials company, I always just look up on Google the stock and then CNBC, and then I'm clicking on Tesla here, and it'll bring you right to all of its numbers. Guys, I just want to let you guys know, seriously, a price to earnings ratio is good when it's low, closest to zero as possible, right? Tesla's current price to earnings ratio is 382.2. That's not good. Their forward PE, though, is 114.54. However, that's a problem for me. I feel like the forward PE and the PE are way too high compared to other companies in this space. We're really going to have to wait for a pretty substantial dip on Tesla. I think fair value for Tesla probably in the neighborhood of $300, $400, $500. I know that's a huge range, but just got to be careful. My price target for Coors Air Gaming is $40. No, I'm sorry, not $40. $38. I have a price target of $38. SoFi, I think SoFi, they have a stadium named after them. They're not going away. I think it's a good pick. VTSI. I got humble right after this, my dude. VTSI. With a stock like this, I don't really know a lot about it. They are making money though. That's a good thing. Their balance sheet looks pretty good. Cash flow a lot better than before. They are making money. You got some price targets at $13, $12, and $11. I like the stock. HMBL. Humble sitting at 85 cents. I don't know a lot about this company, but if you look at the financials, they don't have financials, so that's automatically a no for me. I have no idea. Yeah, the PE ratio has been crazy high for a while. I do believe Corsair Gaming will get over $30 today. We're only 28 cents away. Yeah, I know. I know. But some of you guys got to get through your head. And a couple people worried about the whole thing going on in Afghanistan. The news tries to scare everyone every day to make them think, oh, I think Ethereum is one of the best investments you can make at the current time. Over the long term, you will make money. But I want people to be really careful investing in cryptocurrency between now and the end of the year. Is it going to be higher at the end of the year than it is right now? I believe it will be. But towards the end of the year, talking January, February, March-ish area, you're going to see a huge downtrend on crypto that you've never seen before if you're new to the space. So be very careful. If you get good profits in crypto, don't be scared to cash out some of it. It's not going to go up forever. That's not how the cycles work, every 4 years. And so once this bull run's over, we're going to be in for one of the longest bear markets in the history of cryptocurrency, just like we were between 2017 and 2020. What's going on, Burner? You trying to invest in NFTs? So yeah, NFTs are a really good option. You just have to be really careful. Basically, if I have any advice for NFTs, it's buy from someone you believe in. If buy an NFT made and created by someone you personally believe in, someone that you don't think is going to get canceled, someone you think that's not going to go away. It's like, for instance, Logan Paul is an example. They're coming out with this egg. And it looks pretty cool. I don't know how much it's going to be because you know them. They always like to have their money, but I would be really careful. I'd be really careful with NFTs. Make sure to not spend like thousands of dollars on one that you don't really know a lot about. Make sure if you buy an NFT, you research the hell out of it and know a lot about it. Because if you do and you think it's a good project, go all in, dude. Go all in. Buy 1, 2, 3, 4 if you can. I'm actually thinking about making an NFT here soon, a Moments NFT for Stock TikTok. I think that would be pretty cool. You guys would get like a free merchandise from StockForge, all the StockForge merchandise. You get the free Stock TikTok hat before it even releases. Yes, we're talking about the Stock TikTok hat that's coming out soon. And then also, I'm thinking that you'd get like you just get ownership in. Not ownership of StockForge, but you get say in what happens in StockForge, you know what I mean? And then you'll also become a lifetime member of StockForge while owning it. I think that'd be really cool. Oh yeah, Stock TikTok NFT. Yeah, I'm coming out with them soon. I'm trying to make them. I'm trying to make it look good because a lot of other NFT projects are absolutely insane. I'm gonna be making a Stock TikTok NFT series. I promise you guys, it'll be coming. And I'll let you guys know. It's not going to be crazy, ridiculous prices or anything like a lot of other creators. There's going to be a lot of room for opportunity in these NFTs for you to be able to resell, for you to be able to make money. That's what it's going to be all about. So hopefully, if my career does very well on here and forward, it'll make your NFT do very well as well. Burner, I would love to. Yeah, message me. I'll give you my phone, shoot you my phone number, and we'll talk it out, see what we can do. I think it'd be a really cool idea for NFT. Also, with you have a great following. I love your page. If you aren't following Burner, check him out. He's been in prison before. It always interests me, people that have been in prison, because I'm like a goody two shoes, so like if I ever went to prison or jail, I'd be like, oh my God, I'd be like so scared. And so the amount of respect I have for people kind of sharing their experience is really cool. And it shows that they made mistakes, but they're changing them, and they're becoming better people and helping people learn from their mistakes. So I think that's really, really big. When will you be on YouTube? I am on YouTube right now. You can follow me on YouTube. The link is in my bio. Click the little YouTube button. Starting today, I will be posting again my live streams. I didn't yesterday because I had to cut out the middle yesterday, so I couldn't do it there. But I will be posting my live stream to YouTube every single day. I'm probably going to be doing YouTube after the semester in other aspects, like longer videos and stuff like that. My pick of the day today is Corsair Gaming, sitting at $29.73 currently. It's up about 5% pre-market. And this morning our portfolio is sitting at $4,254. Burner, it's not that hard. It's not that hard to make an NFT. You just have to download you have to download OpenSea and then MetaMask. MetaMask is like where you store your Ethereum to be able to pay for like the fee to make it. And then also OpenSea is where you'd be able to sell it. And so it's actually surprisingly really easy. And I'm not artistic at all by any means. I can definitely teach you guys how to do that if any of you guys are interested in it. But yeah, you got both. Nice. Yeah, if you have both, it's very easy to make your NFT. I think you just have to pay a fee. It's called a gas fee, and you have to pay it in Ethereum. So you'd have to like buy Ethereum on your MetaMask, and then it would use your MetaMask Ethereum to be able to mint your tokens. Yeah, hell yeah. I think that'd be really cool. I mean, I'm not an expert on NFTs, don't get me wrong. I'm still kind of new to the space. I've been following Gary Vee. He's given out a lot of information. I'm in his Discord. They talk about NFTs all the time. So I've gotten a lot of information from him, a lot of information from Blockchain Boy. He's pretty into NFTs. And there's a lot of good people. You got Ethereum in your Coinbase. Oh, perfect. So if you want, I can show you how to transfer your Ethereum from your Coinbase to your MetaMask account without losing your Ethereum. So that would be a good thing. That's where I have some of my Ethereum, just because when I make my NFTs, I think it's like a charge of like $50 or so to make each NFT. Yeah. Because if I want to make 10 of them, it's going to be $500, and that's a pretty substantial amount to make an NFT that you're not really sure if a lot of other people are going to be interested in, you know. But yeah, I will teach you how to do that. CRSR Wall Street Bet takeover. You know it. How does my offline wallet work for crypto? So it just basically stores your crypto. Think of it as like a debit card that holds your crypto instead of money. Easiest way to talk about that. It's still your crypto is still gonna be worth more if the crypto goes up. It's still gonna be worth less if the crypto goes down. It's still gonna be worth the same if the crypto stays the same price. It's just basically putting it on an offline cold wallet so no one can take it from the internet. Just safer. I like Xpeng, but I think I like Neo a little bit more. Yeah, that's the price and way to do it. My 12-year-old son created an NFT, but no $1 million bids. Dang. Yeah, I mean, yeah, NFT world's tough. You gotta have like an image almost. Yeah, NFTs are going crazy right now. Crazy. People are making millions of dollars. My offline wallet for crypto the Nano Ledger is always a good option. I've heard really good things, but personally, I use the Ballet wallet. It's spelled BALLETT, and you can find that on Amazon. NFT gaming's taken off, absolutely. Yeah, let's make money together, Burner. I'd love nothing more. You're my favorite, prison TikTok guy. I'm a huge fan, man. And I think you're better than Colin. Don't tell him I said that, though. Colin doesn't know I exist. I mean, he seems like a cool guy, but you interact with your followers way more. I don't know if it's because he has more than you. I don't know, but you should definitely be up to par with him. Your account and your content's great. Yeah, way better than Colin. Way better than Colin. I mean, not trying to bash Colin at all, but your account is pretty fire compared to his. But yeah, our portfolio is currently sitting at $4,257 with 4 minutes left in pre-market. We're ready. Neo, what's your thoughts? I like Neo. Yeah, Colin is a great dude, and you gotta know your value, bro. You have to. You tell a lot more interesting stories. You actually say everything. You know what I mean? I feel like he kind of lets things go. Oh, I have dreams about it too, my dude. When I was 12 years old and was telling all of my family members that had a lot of money that if they bought $1,000 of Ethereum at $18, I would be able to go to college for free. They laughed at me, said I was stupid, and said crypto was the biggest scam in the world. And look at it now. It's over $3,200. Makes me go crazy. Yeah, I know. Just hold on to that pay safe, Steve-O. DID, I am staying away from it. What's happening to time? There's nothing that's happening with time. There's nothing that's happening. It's been pretty consolidating between $1 and $1.11. And so we're currently in that zone right now. We're over the weekly and the daily moving average, which is a good sign. But there's nothing like happening with time. There's nothing bad that happened. There's nothing good that happened in the last couple weeks. We're just kind of waiting it out because at the end of the day, it's a good company. They have to release their patent that they got a couple weeks ago, anywhere between 30 days and 6 months. So between 30 days and 6 months, we're going to get some pretty solid news. I like CAN. I think it's a great one long term. My price target for TYME is $3.50. I'm staying away from DIDI because it's a Chinese stock. A lot of Chinese stocks are getting clobbered right now. I don't think it's the time yet. I'm using Alibaba as a measure for that, honestly. And if you look at Alibaba, it's been absolutely destroyed. It's starting to try to come back right now, but it did leave a gap. We just closed it. I think we see Alibaba in the neighborhood of $135 to $140 before this dip on China's over. Burner, by 2025, I believe Bitcoin will be approximately $350,000 to $500,000 by the end of 2025. Market. Slowly accumulate. It doesn't matter what price Bitcoin is today. It doesn't matter what price Bitcoin is tomorrow. It doesn't matter what price Bitcoin is in a year. Buy slowly in small amounts. I don't care if it's $5 a week, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, $100, $1,000 per week, whatever you can put in. No matter what the price is at, there's two coins that you want. Oh, there's a couple coins that you want to get into. Bitcoin is basically like, think of it as the S&P 500 of crypto. Ethereum, it's going to be huge with NFTs. It's going to be all centralized around NFTs. So Ethereum's going to be really good too. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then don't forget about Link, and also don't forget about what's the other one? Basic Attention Coin and DOT. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, DOT, Basic Attention Coin, Link. Bitcoin, Ethereum, DOT, Basic Attention Coin, Link. Remember that. Steve-O, I know there's a lot of bad information about Bitcoin. And I know you might want to, a lot of people say, oh, it's used in fraudulent activity, blah, blah, blah. But people got to understand. People have been saying this since Bitcoin was at $10. They said it would never get to 100. They said it would never get to 1,000. They said it would never get to 5,000. They said it would never get to 10,000. They said it would never get to 20,000. They said it would never get to 50,000. You see where I'm going with this? And so the reason why the price of Bitcoin is going up is because as the dollar value goes down, Bitcoin is worth more dollars. And so basically, theoretically, you're betting on our corrupt government printing as much money as they possibly can in the next 10 years. And yeah, it could be good. And if you think about it like gold, like if you owned gold, can you trade gold? No. And so if you have a bunch of money in stocks, is that money liquid in your Roth IRA? You can't grab it until you retire. Bitcoin is different. You own it and you can use it at the same time. And so it would create a very large amount of freedom that no one in the world has. You have the US dollar going against all these other currencies in the world constantly every day. However, Bitcoin has outperformed every single stock, every single financial asset ever made in the history of the world. So be on watch. I like VeChain too. So there are Satoshis. There already are. And they will one day when Bitcoin is at a really high price, when it's at like $1 million, they're going to be Satoshis. Yes. Cardano, I'd be really careful with Cardano. It's on the Ethereum platform, but think about it. Do you want to invest in Cardano that's on the Ethereum platform, or do you want to invest in the Ethereum platform themselves? I think investing in the Ethereum platform themselves is a lot less risk than going in on Cardano. but owning a little bit's never bad. So the reason why Bitcoin's price is so volatile right now is because it's in the early stages. We saw this with Amazon. Amazon, with a dot-com bubble, it went from $109 to $6 during the dot-com bubble, and people would say then, how is Amazon going to make money just selling books? Their price just went from $106 or $109 to $6. Too volatile, not a good business to invest in. Look at it now, over $3,000. The smaller people lose. Absolutely. Absolutely. That's what happens. But the thing is, people are approaching it all wrong. People are going all in on crypto, all in on one coin. You're supposed to just slowly buy small amounts. It should only contain about 5 to 10% of your overall portfolio. And you should always have extra money on the side that, hey, if Bitcoin decides to drop $10,000 right now, you got to have a couple hundred laying around to be able to buy that dip every single time. No, I don't think it'll stabilize at 1 million. I think it'll probably stabilize around the area of 100,000 by the end of 2024, beginning of 2025. Yeah, the Amazon split rumors are over. Oh, here we go. Corsair Gaming is absolutely skyrocketing. It's at $30.71, 3 minutes in the market open. Our portfolio is at $4,320. We're up 3.83% today. Thank you, Wall Street Bets. Shout out to you guys. What's up, Mac Joe? I actually got to get going soon here. Sorry, it's okay. Oh, you didn't miss much. Corsair Gaming is absolutely taking off today. It's at $30.48 right now. It's currently today up. Shoot. It's up 7% today. Corsair Gaming, let's go. But yeah, portfolio sitting at $4,290 currently. Yeah, we're rolling it. And you got those dividends with NRZ. Love to see it. Well, guys, thank you so much for joining my live stream today. I really appreciate every single one of you guys. Love you. Somehow, some way, I am up 61% on my Corsair Gaming puts. I don't know how that has happened, but woohoo, my first option paying off here. But yeah, guys, thanks again so much. Love and appreciate every single one of you guys. Make sure you're doing research, stick to your plan, and as always, happy trading.